I'm gonna use this product, Rust-Oleum high heat ultra with a primer to paint the rims, and this one for the hubcaps. I also got this sandpaper, 2000, 3000, and then 1000 to make nice surface to sand it down the hubcaps. Remove the hubcap. This is ugly. We're gonna remove that. Hit it harder. There you go. Good. Use some water or soap, clean it, degrease it, open the nozzle. Gotta make it look nice.
Just one.
Yeah, just use this one. So let's do this properly. We're going to use a wire brush to clean some of this rust. If you have a wire brush wheel, you can use that, but we're going to do it by hand.
See, already getting shiny.
See? Nice. If you want the paint and primer to stick very well and overall make it look nice, just use a wire brush.
You can work too if you want.
Yeah, I can work too. Yeah, where's the one? Right here. Well, you got the point. So we're gonna use this isopropyl rubbing alcohol to clean the rim after that. We'll use soap and water, and now we're just gonna clean it nicely so the paint can stick very well. I do notice that there's some rust here, but I'm not gonna go too crazy about it. This is an old rim. Just gonna make it look nicer. To be better like this, right?
I want to cover less more of the tire.
Oh, okay, yeah, to cover the tire. Okay, cool.
Overlap them.
Yep, overlap the note cards. Also, when you brush off the rust, use the isopropyl alcohol again. So, note cards are in place. As you see, it looks gorgeous. Shake the can, pretty good.
Or if it's too cold, let it sink in
Yeah.
hot water.
You don't need to worry about any hot water. Just shake the can. Shake it good.
Okay.
Good, let's go. Don't hold it too close and go side to side, just like that.
And start off the wheel.
Yep, one layer at a time. Nothing too heavy.
The first pass.
First pass. Well, it's gonna look much better than it was before anyway.
Always go from different angles.
Always go from different angles. Now let it dry, and we're gonna go layer number, was it 3?
Just let it coat one.
Just a coat 1, and then we're gonna do coat number 2. It's already looking much better, and we're gonna put 2 more coats, and that's it. Coat number 2, a little bit more heavier, but you see nice and uniform arm movement. You can go a little bit closer if you want.
Don't go too close, that's cause orange
Yeah,
peel.
you don't want to see runs off too.
You don't want complete coverage.
Yep.
You give it light layers at
Light layers. Coat number 3, and there you go. I think we're gonna be good with 3 coats. That'll be more than enough.
nice finish too.
Yeah, nice finish, nice and glossy. Go all around the corners there. You don't want to put too much spray paint because it's gonna run off.
there.
Yeah, we're gonna fix the edges like this. There's gonna be a hubcap covering that wheel, so the rim, so it's not gonna be all visible anyway. But it looks much better than before. Much
Make sure you
better.
don't miss anything.
Yeah, look around, make sure you don't miss anything. You know, we're not a professionals, but still, it looks already much better than before.
If you want it perfect, you spend here
Yeah.
an hour sanding.
Yeah, if you want to make it perfect, you'd spend like an hour sanding, make it all perfect, but Hubcap will be covering this 90% of it. But still, looks much better. So for this Hubcaps, we're going to use layer. First, we're going to use 1000, then 2000, and then 3000. We have to get rid of all these imperfections. For plastic, it's very important, make it perfect. Sand down all the imperfections. Same thing like right here, you see all this. Sand it down nicely. But this is grid 1000. And it's already nice and smooth. Get these edges right here. So I have grid 2000 right now. I'm gonna go second layer here. Like especially here where the paint is peeling, the plastic is peeling. Make it nice and smooth. Around here, when we're gonna paint, we don't want the paint to be tripping off. You can nicely restore these hubcaps. These are original Honda hubcaps. They're not cheap, like not cheap Walmart style, you know. Gonna make them look nice. Make sure you get into here because that's most of the paint peeling off here. Now we have grid 3000. We're gonna finish up. Just go over all the surfaces. These rough edges are gone. There's no more paint chipping. Nice. Same thing as here. Go with your finger. See, it's nice and smooth. Same thing around here. Just make it look nice. So for this hubcap, it's already sanded. Use also isopropyl alcohol. And it was already cleaned, but we're just gonna degrease it. Clean it nicely. You want the paint primer to stick very well. Clean all these parts right here. Okay, shake the can and give 3 nice coats. Coat number 1. Simple. Go to different directions. Nice and light coats. Nice and even. Don't have any runs of paint. So this is layer 1, coat 1. It already looks so much better. Nice. And we're gonna do 2 more coats. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit and then do 2 more. This is our final layer number 3. Do exactly the same pattern, same distance, and left to right, right to left. This looks amazing. Turn it like a brand new hubcap. So from this to something like this. Huge improvement. Reinstall the wheel. hubcap and the lug nuts. Get the lug nuts. Looks so much better. And I'm gonna polish the wheel, the tire. I'm gonna polish it, make it look nice and black. Looks so much better. So this is my little Civic. My daughter will be driving it, and I just wanted to refresh it, make it look nice, and I think it looks great.